Hey guys, this is Jared, the occupational therapist. I was given this product to review, and these are some nitrate gloves. They are powder free, which is really nice because you don't have to worry about the texture of that powder on your hands. They come inside this nice box. They're wrapped individually, each box, and then they have a little opening right here in the top for easy access. Now, each of these gloves, they're black. This is a size medium, and the nice thing about these, they don't rip really easy, so you have a good stretch. I usually use a size medium to a size large gloves. So with these, you can see that they go on very easy. They don't have a smell to them, there's no smell at all, and they go right on. So with my line of work, working in healthcare, these are some great gloves that you can use. So there's no latex in these, so that's great for people that have latex allergies or people that you're working with that may have latex allergies. So these are a great, my hands don't feel like they're gonna sweat a lot with these, and they have some nice stretch. They don't feel like they're overly tight to where they're going to rip if I'm starting to do anything with my hands. So these would be a great option if you were working in healthcare or working with other individuals where you wanted to have a barrier between yourself. This could work well for barbers as well too. Even if you were working with food, these would be a great option as well because I can really feel like I can still feel my fingertips and still feel my hands without having the gloves be overly obtrusive. So I like these gloves a lot. This would be something that I would purchase myself for daily use in my line of work. So I would say check these gloves out.